everyone, and here's what I made for my niece and this week's birthday. Happy birthday, Nanny! And happy birthday to Matthew and also my salsa friend, Judy, and to all my nieces and nephews, guys, and to all of you graduates. Wishing you all happy graduation. Congratulations, everyone. And these are the things I've been making, guys, during my lockdown. I've made so many plumeria cakes and pineapple crown bouquets, guys. Thank you to all of you, and that's my Vanda Imperial. That's my birds of paradise. That's my Christmas and fern. Mahalo.